Hello beautifuls, welcome to your channel. Glam Girl.
Snowflakes fall, a silent song, Christmas joy, where we all belong.
Christmas gift ideas for teenage girls' wish list. Trendy clothing or accessories. Makeup or skincare products. Wireless earbuds or headphones. Personalized jewelry. Room decor items. Books by their favorite authors. Sneakers or stylish shoes. Phone accessories like a cue case or pop socket. Gift cards to their favorite stores. Polaroid camera for instant photos. Subscription to a beauty or fashion magazine. DIY craft kits. Concert or event tickets for their favorite artist. Funko Pop figures of their favorite characters. Portable phone charger. Cozy blanket or throw. A trendy backpack or tote bag. Skincare or spa gift set. LED strip lights for their room. Movie night essentials like popcorn, candy, and a cozy blanket.
Thanks for watching. Happy Christmas to everyone.
Please subscribe.